Good morning students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine at your home. So stay safe, stay at your home. Now today we will start the chapter 5 of NCB, that is goodwill. Tell me the meaning of goodwill. What is the meaning of this title? Do you know? I will tell you. The meaning of goodwill is a kind of created or bought, and its important makes a man different from the other in the society. Students, this story tells us about a type of wonderful woman who came to a small town and started a learning center and tried to have the people and children who are living at there. There was no school at there, and they have to face a lots of problems regarding to get their education. Now we will start the chapter from the first paragraph. That is, there is a little town that is far away from a big city. It is alone, and the only school in it is a very small and does not have much support to the people who live in the town cannot get good education. Actually, the school which was situated in that little town, that doesn't support to the students of the town to get a good education in a proper way. And it was situated far away from the big city. It was, you can say, settled far from the hustle and bustle of the life of the big cities. One day, a new lady moves to the town. Her name is Sonia. She is a lively, brilliant person. Brilliant means, do you know? Sparkling or wise. She opens a free learning center so that the kids who live in the town can get better education. Now, one day, a lady, she moves from the city. She was fed up from the life of the city and wants to go in the small town where he can serve the or fill the need of the people or the little children who are living there. There was a good wish for taking the good wish. She came from that particular big city in a small town. And living at there, she started a kind of a learning center which was very beneficial for the people or the children who were living in that particular town. Lots of young people go to the learning center. Sonia is busy all day and has to get a staff of volunteers. What is the meaning of volunteers here? Volunteers mean a person who performs a service willingly and without pay. When Sonia started the center, she also made a staff of volunteers for the help of the people. The kids have a lot of fun and learn more new things for free. They even improve their grades at school. After starting the center, very soon the children who were coming in the center of the Sonia, they started to grade their started to improve the grades that they were getting from the school. They started to learn so many kinds of the new things, so many unknown things, which school was not sufficient to provide to them. And there was also a team of volunteers which was settled by the Sonia so that people just, you can say, get every kind of facilities available at there. Most of the parents in town are thrilled with Sonia's learning centers, but one mother, Julie, is not happy. People who live in that particular town, they all were happy after coming of the Sonia and after establishing the study center by Sonia, but one person whose name was Julie, she was not satisfied with the establishment of the Sonia. She was just trying to find out a kind of a hidden secret which was behind Sonia. That what is the purpose, why she came here, why she is doing a kind of a job without any kind of a salary. Julie is not convinced. Convinced means here, students, was not sure. Here the word also came disagree. That means differ. Julie was not convinced. Who would want to open a free learning center and work for free? Julie wondered. Sonia must be a liar or a criminal. She has something to hide. Now, what was the intention behind in the heart of the Julie that she disclosed before the people who were living in the town? She said that why she came here. What is the reason behind it? What is there are no people in the world who wants to do free services. There is anything wrong with Sonia. She is she has a, you can say, intention of the criminal activity. She just came here to hide herself. But her neighbors disagree. That is not true. They say she is just a good person. She wants to improve the society for all of us. But all the people who were living in the town, they were all disagree. They were just opposed the Julie and said that this is not true. She is a very nice person. She, with the help of the Sonia's efforts, our children who were just improving their grades in their school, they are getting new things. They are just very curious about the new things that they are getting from the Sonia. But that is not true, because every person is not a liar and not a bad activity or intentions. Oh no, Julie insisted, all people are bad. We cannot trust anyone. This learning center seems too good to be true. I know she is hiding something. I am going to write to the town hall and report against her to the education department. But Julie was firm. What he declared, what he said to the people who were living in the town, she always said, no, this is something hidden in Sonia's side. She is criminal in nature, and I will just go to the education department and I will do the complaint from the education officer for this. But Julie never gets a chance to carry out her threats. Threats means here, spirit, danger. But Julie never gets a chance to carry on her threats. All the local parents unite and write to the education department the next day. Knowing the intention of the Julie, the people of the towns were all united. They started to write a letter about the praise and the work that Sonia performed for the people and the children who are living in the town. They write a letter to the education departments to pay thanks to the Sonia. They explain the wonderful work Sonia is doing, the amazing. Amazing means here surprising. And the word also came here, possibility, that is hope. They explain the wonderful work Sonia is doing and the amazing changes she is helping to create in their society. Sonia and her team are great with the town's children. Their grades at school are improving and many of them want to go to university. They never thought of the possibility before. Now, what's happened the next time that the people of the town, they just shows their thoughts, their feeling regarding Sonia. They told it that a kind of amazing work is being performed by the Sonia, because the children who never hoped to go for any big cities or universities to carry on their studies, because it was a very big task. But after coming of the Sonia, the children of that particular town started to improve themselves. They started to improve their grades in their schools, and also they started their activities or their performance. So they all are just ready to go to the universities, because they never thought about this. But after coming of the Sonia, they started to think that yes, they can do, because a kind of a confidence was also developed by the Sonia in the heart of the children. The parents even published a lovely letter in the local newspaper thanking Sonia for her hard work and dedication to the society. Dedication is the commitment. So the very next day, the parents of the children, they just write a letter in a local newspaper, and they paid a very huge thanks to the Sonia's effort that she did without any kind of personal interest, and a kind of a feeling of dedication that was in her heart, taking the society, that she wants to improve the society, she wants to improve the children of the society. That was her aim and the purpose. That for this purpose, she came from the big city in a small town. Everyone is very happy now, the children, the parents, the town residents, and the officials, and of course Sonia. After publishing this letter in the local newspaper, every person who was living in the town was very happy. Even the Sonia was herself, and the children, and the officers, and the parents, all were in a full mood of happiness. The only person who is not happy is Julie. She is already looking for someone else to say bad things about Sonia. But her neighbors value the free work that Sonia does and recognize that she is truly a person of good. Now, leaving only Julie, all the people of that particular town was happy. But Julie was just searching a kind of a person who can listen her talk regarding Sonia, because she even a kind of a little bit believed till now, after seeing the efforts of the Sonia before the people, before the officers, before the children. She has a kind of a doubt in her mind that Sonia is not a good girl. She came here in the town for any kind of a hidden purpose, because no one in the society who can serve society without any kind of personal interest. So children, what do you understand with the story? This is story. What is the moral of the story? This story actually tells us about a kind of efforts that many people does without any personal interest for the society. There are different ways. Some people call life as a journey. Some people call life struggle. But there are some people who think life is a kind of a blessing. So Sonia was a kind of a person who wants that always she become able to get blessings of the people. Always she wants to see the smile of the children. She wants to see a kind of a confidence on the faces of the parents. This is the story. Written material you will get. Okay. Thank you.